This is the back. As you can tell, the alley hasn't even been plowed. Since we have our puppies, Kevin actually did all this. His little handy dandy work so our dogs can have a little path to walk through and use the facilities out in the yard. That's the snowplow. The alley was attempted to be at least shoveled anyways. And this is the pathway from our recyclable bins and garbage. I thank Kevin for all this. He did a great job for giving at least the dogs a pass so they can come in back. And this is the alley, which I don't think pretty much, even though it's been snowed upon, shoveled. And she never cleaned up this spot at all. Yeah. I think the people across the alley, they also helped out cleaning some of this alley out anyways, and cleaned out our path for our car to come out. So yeah, get a little bit before, just like you see, a path just to get back to the stuff. But yeah. This is all for right now. There's a little tour. This is part 2, so enjoy.